Hi, in this four-part series, we'll be discussing gameplay elements in Unreal 4. First, we'll be discussing data structures, specifically of array of type stack, as it pertains to the last in, first out approach. Second, we'll be discussing iteration, as it pertains to triggering multiple doors using trigger volumes and matinee. Third, we'll be discussing dynamic geometry or specific objects as it pertains to particles or emitters. And lastly, we'll be creating blueprint actors using C++. Let's get started. So here I've created, in this first example, using blueprint class, the player will pick up 5 items predefined in the inventory system. While an array can be used to select specific elements, we will be using the stack type to push and pop the selected items to and from the stack using the last in, first out approach, also known as LIFO. Let's take a look. So the player can actually go and walk and select particular objects by walking over them. And as you can see, the item has been added to the array, to the stack. And as I select each item, it is added. Now, with my predefined button that I've defined here, the letter M on my keyboard, I can actually place those items back where I have based on LIFO. Let's take a look. So the last item that I picked up has been placed back out into the world, and so forth. So you could not see the other object reappearing because it was picked up back over here. Let's take a look in the log. And as you can see, the items we picked up, 3, 1, 2, 5, and 4, were placed back into the world based on the LIFO, last in, first out approach. Let's take one more look at that. So we'll pick up item 3, item 1, item 2, item 4. And then we'll place them back in the world in the order in which we picked them up. And I also used and defined tab button to put everything back at once. Thank you to Devin Sherry for this approach. Thank you for watching.